How to take care of fortune plants. Fortune plants are thought to bring good luck to the area where they are located, be it in a home bedroom or in an office. The lucky plant can make a room feel more cheerful, regardless of whether it brings you good luck. Fortune plants are simple to care for and survive best in indoor settings, making them perfect for the home. Add a single plant to your house or put one in every room to create a cheerful atmosphere. Things you will need. Small pebbles. Green fertilizer. Step 1. Place a layer of small pebbles along the bottom of the container you plan to plant your fortune plant in. If the plant is already in the container, check the bottom and add a layer of pebbles to the bottom if the pebbles are missing. Step 2. Place the fortune plant into the pot and add 2 to 3 inches of water. If your tap water contains large amounts of chlorine, pour the water into a container and let it set for a day before adding it to your plants. You can tell the water has too much chlorine or other chemicals if the edges of the plant's leaves begin to die. If the leaves do not improve even after allowing the water to set for 24 hours, switch to distilled water. Step 3. Change the water on a weekly basis, or if it begins to look dirty, the water should always remain clear. Depending on the size of your fortune plant, you may need to change the water more often. Step 4. Keep the plants in a location where they will receive a lot of artificial light, such as that given off by household lights and lamps. Keep them away from direct sunlight, which can become too hot and harm the leaves. Step 5. Place 8 to 10 drops of green fertilizer into the container twice a week. For a small plant, see the label on the fertilizer bottle for proper feeding instructions. Place the drops into the water so they can soak into the roots.